so I have not vlogged in a while. As I said, like, I kind of just want to vlog more like events rather than just like my daily life. But this is an event, so I'm here vlogging at Katsucon. I just waited in line 2 hours to get my badge. I didn't vlog that because it was super boring. And then, yeah, afterwards I just needed a little bit of a break because it was so long. So I just kind of came off to the side here to eat a snack, and then I'm gonna hopefully find some people. A lot of people that I knew were going dropped out, but I think there's still a couple that I know, so let's see if we can find anyone. Just kind of wander around and hang out. So I don't know if this is gonna be a really long vlog or not. I'm not gonna like focus on vlogging, but I am gonna try and vlog. So we'll see. Okay, I have not vlogged at all today, but I also haven't done much, so I didn't really miss anything. Basically, since I last vlogged, I met up with my friend, and we basically went back to her room, and they taught me lots and lots of stuff about how to run my spicy site better, because she's a lot more good at that than me. So, like, what? So, yeah, she taught me a bunch, and also a bunch about how to make better TikToks. So I learned a ton from her. There we go. Yeah, so I learned like a ton from her, and I went back to their room now. I've taken off my wig, clearly, got my glasses, which are fogging up. Just couldn't take it any longer. So I'm gonna go check out the artist alley real fast because I'm gonna be carrying a bunch of props and stuff tomorrow. So I'm worried that I won't be able to like carry things with my hands. So I'm gonna check it out tonight instead. I'm spending so much money. Artist alleys are so dangerous for me. I can't help it. I just want all the art. I want to support all the artists, you know? I'm buying so much. I also bought a bunch of enamel pins, but they're in my backpack. Not gonna lie, I feel a little bit silly walking around in like, oh, sorry? Walking around in like semi-cosplay. I also have glue all over my head, which is why the hood is on. Try and disguise that. So here's the chances of which pumpkin I'm gonna get. I have to not look. Let's go with my heart. Oh, you can't even see.
Yeah, you can't see it.
It's so cool. Okay. Oh, it's a green one. That was the rarest one.
Oh, nice.
So, guess I'm a winner. I'm at the con, and I'm wearing my new frog hat because I took off my wig.
I'm not hungry. I'm not eating.
And,
So I'm like,
yeah.
why not? Like,
Alright, day 2. I didn't get here until 3 p.m. today. I was not feeling it this morning. Just kind of had a headache. It was, the time difference and everything. It was making me feel not great. But I did make it here, and I saw him. I'm gonna go try and find some people. I decided to like grab a water bottle and like sit down and drink it because I was feeling very dehydrated. So that's all set. Made it here, got my water. Time to actually start to get on again at like 3-something p.m. So kind of a little more time. I just met up with some friends, hanging out with them for a bit, and then I came up here to the gazebo area to hang out. And I made a discovery that I can hang my little spear on this spear and walk around like that. What's funny is this little like leather. That I added to this spear, that's not part of it in like the show. She doesn't have to look like that. I just added it because I foresaw that it would be difficult to carry two weekends, and I was right. So the moral of the story is don't be afraid to add things to your cosplay, even if they're not canon, to make your life a little bit easier, because I am very proud of is really annoying because this little bead keeps sliding to the side, and it didn't do that during Anime Impulse. So I don't know if I just tied it tighter or like what. I'm super. Yeah, I just came back into the dealer's hall merch room for a little. It's like not even in my head. Sliding off. Yeah, so I came into the dealer's hall merch room for a little bit just to hang out one last little time. It's almost like it's around 6 p.m. so I don't know how long I'm going to stay today. Obviously, I have not spent a lot of time at this con, but I don't know, just one of those weekends. So I thought I'd just wander around a little bit more before I head out. So let's see what we find. Definitely seeing a lot of cool stuff. The problem is that I don't have any room in my suitcase, basically. So unless something is like really, really unique, I can't really buy it just because I don't have a place to put it. So I just like noticed these prints that are like awesome. I can go look at these. Look at how freaking cool these are. Anyway, yeah, I can't bring anything big back. I bought some prints yesterday at the art style. I'll do like a little haul and show you guys, but yeah, I just can't bring back anything big, which is
They want to have so many events that require a lot of
they have this giant Magikarp figure we could build. And I want it so bad. But yeah, this is never ever gonna fit in my suitcase. So we're gonna have to find one in LA, or maybe next weekend at Level Up Expo in Vegas. I'll be able to buy one then if they have any. So we're gonna be on the lookout for them because we need one. So yeah, that was kind of it for dealer's room. I think I might go check out Artist Alley now. I bought a lot of stuff there yesterday, as I said, but can't hurt to take another little pass through it. And that's like a lot of stuff, like sometimes artists like are just East Coast or just West Coast, so it's like something where you can't just, you know, be like, maybe I'll find it at another con. You might never see that artist again. So I'm much more impulsive with my spending. Plus I like to support small artists when I can. And another big problem is in the fact that I am not wearing my glasses, so we're gonna see if I can see anything. It's gonna be interesting. Well, didn't matter as much.
Well, Jotaro goes yada yada, he does and then Jolene.
So it is the day after Katsucon, or at least I'm done. I'm not going on Sunday because the con ends at 4 and I get there so late that by the time I get there, not really worth it. Everyone's kind of checking out that day. So yeah, I just went Friday and Saturday, as you saw. Honestly, in terms of like all of the Katsucons that I've been to, I kind of lost track of how many I have gone to. This is my 5th or 6th, I think. I haven't gone every year since my first one, but I have gone to a bunch of them. But like of them, this one wasn't my favorite. It was fine, like it wasn't bad, but I did feel like I spent the majority of my time waiting in line for my badge. And I don't know, I just felt like a lot of people who I knew who were going dropped out and wound up not going, so I was kind of alone for a lot of it. I did get to hang out with people for some of the time, which I was thankful for, but yeah, a lot of it I was kind of by myself or trying to meet new people. And because I went so last minute, I didn't really like plan anything ahead of time, so I didn't like schedule any shoots or anything, so that was not the best. Next year I'm definitely gonna prepare more ahead of time, but again, like I didn't even know if I was gonna go to the con till the very last minute, so that's why I didn't plan anything. I didn't want to plan anything and then have to drop out later. Sorry that it is so loud down here, by the way. This is the basement of my parents' house. This is where I stay when I'm here. It is a miserable experience. It is freezing down here. The light buzzes, can you hear that? Of course, we can also hear anytime someone is walking upstairs. You can almost always hear their conversations as well. I don't know if they realize that or not. And yeah, you can hear every time their toilet upstairs flushes. So it is loud, it is unpleasant. I don't like staying here for long periods of time if I can help it, but at least I'm not sharing a room with like 20 other people like I would be at the convention. So that is the one plus, is at least I have my own room and my own bathroom, so that's nice. So yeah, I thought I would just real quick show you my haul from the artist alley. So, while I have a little bit of time, let me show you guys. I didn't buy anything in the dealer's haul, by the way. It just like, I have no room in my suitcase. It just wasn't worth it. I am going to another con next weekend, which is Level Up Expo in Las Vegas. So if you're there, say hi, but I might do more shopping there. Depends, but I did buy some stuff at the artist alley. So first up, I bought this print, and it's Azula and Mei and Ty Lee. I just thought it was a really cool print. I really like the colors, like the art style. I don't know, I just thought it was really neat. And then from the same booth as that print, I bought this Ty Lee pin, which is really pretty. Almost everything I bought is Avatar: The Last Airbender. It's the art I tend to go to, even though I do watch other series and like other series. In terms of like art that I like having hung up on my walls, it's almost always Avatar. And then sometimes I have some other series. So I have another little print here. This one is Sokka. They had a bunch of prints like this with the different characters and like a little symbol. But I really liked the Sokka one best, so I just got Sokka. And then this is a Magikarp print. He's in distress. I just thought it was kind of funny. This artist also had a Belle print, but they were all sold out, which I was kind of sad about because it was really pretty, and it was like this little like square as well, so I would have really liked one. So I'm gonna see if maybe they'll restock on their like online like Etsy page or something, and maybe I can order one. Because if you guys haven't noticed from my Instagram, I really liked the movie Belle. From that same shop, I got this pin. And this was like a little mystery of like which pumpkin you could get. And I think it had the same like little mystery percentages as the pumpkins in Animal Crossing. So, you know, like how you plant pumpkin seeds and you don't know what color pumpkin is going to grow. So that was kind of like a similar idea. So it was like a little mystery bag and you didn't know which pumpkin. So yeah, I got the green one, which is the rarest one. So that's kind of cool. I probably should have bought more of them so that I could like try and get different colors. But at the time I didn't, so whoops, maybe I'll have to see the artist again sometime and get more pumpkins. Then I got this little Howl print. I think Howl is another one that I kind of collect besides Avatar. I've got quite a few Howl prints now, or Howl and Sophie, or just like Howl's Moving Castle in general. I just think it's like the prettiest movie. I just love the art that has, not only the art of the movie, but like the art that people have done of the movie. And then finally I got these little pins. This is from an artist who I bought things from before. They tend to be at a lot of cons that I go to, but I hadn't seen them have these pins before, so I guess they're new. And I could not decide which ones. They had so many. To get all of their Avatar pins would have been $200. And unfortunately, I didn't have $200 to spend on pins, but I did choose a couple. So I definitely had to get Mei and Ty Lee. They're just so cute, and you know I love Ty Lee. And I love Mei as well. So I thought these were super cute, and they're very detailed, so I really like them. And then I couldn't decide between Aang and Zuko, so I bought both because Zuko, like his robes are so detailed, and I thought it looked it's such a nice pin, like so detailed and just like well done. So I had to get Zuko. And then Aang's face was just like really cute, and he had my camera battery died, so I'm just gonna finish this on my phone. Where did it go? I was showing you the Aang one. It's so cute. Here's the Zuko one, in case you couldn't see it well enough. I think they're so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this little mini vlog here. I'm kind of just doing mini vlogs right now. I don't even know. I did take a little mini vlog of Anime Impulse too. I just never posted it, so let me know if you guys want to see that one as well. And I'm going to try and do one next weekend for Level Up Expo. Oh, I forgot one more thing that I bought at the artist alley. I bought this hat also. The little frog hat. I think it's so cute. And I followed this artist for a while on Instagram. These frog hats. And I really wanted one. But I wanted to buy it from her because I didn't want to buy like a knockoff. So I finally saw the original artist and got the hat. So yeah, I'm very excited about it. And then I thought I left it in my Uber and I like had to call, but it turns out I just dropped it in front of my house. So that was awkward. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, give this video a like. You know, all that stuff just really helps with the mystery YouTube algorithm. I don't know how it works, but you gotta interact and that helps me a lot. Follow me on my other social medias if you want to see more. I literally have everything. They're all linked down below. And I will see you in my next video.